Okay, are you ready? Let's do another scale question. Read the question. This particular one says straight out, a three-dimensional toy model of an Eiffel Tower has a scale of 1 to 250. Remember, 1 to 250 could be in inches to inches or centimeters to centimeters. It doesn't matter. That's why you don't see any units on the scale, not at all. Now, it says the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France has a height of 1,063 feet. Great, awesome. It says, what is the height of the toy model going to be then to the nearest tenth? Notice how it doesn't tell you to the nearest tenth of what. Well, you're going to give it to the nearest tenth of whatever you want. You can give it to it in inches or you can give it in feet. Usually when you're talking about a toy model, though, are you really talking about feet? Probably talking about inches. So here's the dilemma. The dilemma is, look at this scale. Remember, it's from inches to inches or centimeters to centimeters. So that means this 1,063 feet has to be converted. And guess what it's going to be converted into? Yup, converted into inches. Very simple. You got to do that first before you can start using the scale. So, okay, let's go. Here we go. Let's do it. 1,063 feet. There it is. We want to convert that into inches, so that means feet goes on the bottom. Our wonderful little scale is right here, and it says 1 foot is 12 inches. That's really easy to do. 1 foot is 12 inches. So we're actually multiplying out here 1063 by 12. All right, let's bring up our calculator. Turn this on. Clear all this nonsense from the previous question out. 1063 times 12 works out to be 12,756. 12,756. And remember, that's in inches. Now that we're in inches, we can use our scale. Okay, so let's go back to what our scale was. Our scale here was 1 to 250, right here. So let's write the scale down first. 1 is to 250. Now, remember, what does this scale mean? This means a map. This means actual. So here comes the question. What is this number? Well, it's the height of the Eiffel Tower in inches. So is that the map height or the diagram height? Or is that the actual height? Well, that in fact means it is the actual height, 12,756 inches. Okay, you want to know what is the scale, map, drawing, toy, whatever it is, what is the scale factor here? Okay, let's figure it out. Simple enough again. Check this out. Cross multiply. Yep. So this is 250x equals to 1 times 12,756. Oh, there's the toughest calculation in the world. 1 times 12,756 is 12,756. There you go. Now, how do you end this? You end this very simply by going like this. There we go. Divide each side by 250. That cancels out, leaving you x equals 2. All right, let's bring up our handy dandy calculator. 12,756 is still in there. Let's divide it by 250, and you're going to get, check this out, you're going to get a toy model of 51 inches tall. There you go. If you want to convert that into feet, go right ahead and convert that into feet. That's totally up to you. I'm going to do this just using my brain and go, okay, 1 foot is 12 inches, 2 feet is 24 inches, 3 feet is 36 inches, 4 feet is 48 inches. So that's pretty close. So I know it's going to be 4 feet something, right? And the difference between 51 and 48, if you think about it, is 3. So I'm going to have a 4 foot, 3-inch model of the Eiffel Tower, which, if you think about it in itself, is fairly large. So you can do all kinds of wonderful conversions here. Conversions, proportion method, and conversions and dimensional analysis, all of them work really, really well. And hopefully this podcast has helped you. Thank you.